Thinking about launching your clothing brand but not sure where to manufacture? Let me introduce you to Portugal, one of the world's rising stars in fashion production. In this video, I'll break down why Portugal is such a strong choice, and most importantly, how you can actually find manufacturers there. If you're serious about building a successful, sustainable brand, this could change everything. Portugal has become a powerhouse for fashion manufacturing thanks to one thing: quality. For generations, Portuguese textile factories, many of them family-run, have specialized in craftsmanship. Instead of mass-producing cheap clothing, they focus on detail and durability. That's why so many premium and luxury brands trust Portuguese factories with their collections. Customers can tell the difference. Clothes made here look and feel more refined. And for your brand, that reputation of made in Portugal instantly communicates quality. Another huge advantage: Portugal is one of the most sustainable manufacturing hubs in the world. Factories there must follow strict EU labor laws, meaning safe working conditions and fair pay. Many also hold certifications like GOTS and OECO-TEX, which guarantee organic or non-toxic textiles and environmentally responsible processes. From recycled fabrics to water-saving dyeing methods, Portugal is leading the way in sustainable fashion. For designers, this is a win-win. You're not only producing responsibly, but you're also aligning your brand with the growing consumer demand for ethical fashion. Starting small, Portugal is one of the few countries that supports low minimum order quantities. Unlike countries where you're asked to produce thousands of units up front, many Portuguese factories allow smaller runs. This means you can test your designs, minimize risk, and scale at your own pace. For new and independent brands, this flexibility is gold. Portugal's location also makes it a practical choice. If you're in Europe or the UK, shipping is fast and cost-effective. Even if you're based in the US, it's closer than Asia, which means quicker turnaround times. In today's fast-paced fashion market, being able to design, produce, and restock quickly can make or break a brand. Portugal's geographic advantage gives you speed without compromising quality. It's not just tradition. Portugal is investing heavily in new technologies. From 3D knitting and seamless garments to advanced digital printing, you'll find manufacturers who can bring unique, innovative designs to life. This combination of old-world craftsmanship with modern tech makes Portugal stand out even more. Alright, so you're convinced Portugal sounds great, but how do you actually find a manufacturer there? Here are some practical steps. 1. Directories and databases. Platforms like Makers Row, Europe section, Soport, or Sketchlist Portuguese factories. Some even let you filter by fabric type, production size, or certifications. 2. Trade shows and fashion events. Events like Modissimo in Porto or Munich. Fabric Start are fantastic places to meet Portuguese manufacturers face-to-face, see fabric samples, and start building relationships. 3. Industry associations. The Portuguese Textile and Clothing Association, ATP, is a great starting point. They can point you to reputable manufacturers that match your brand's needs. 4. Google and LinkedIn searches. Searching terms like clothing manufacturer Portugal or Portuguese textile factory works surprisingly well. LinkedIn is especially useful to connect directly with factory managers. 5. Work with agents or sourcing consultants. If you're new to production, agents based in Portugal can help you find the right factory, negotiate pricing, and manage communication. When reaching out, make sure you have clear design tech packs or sketches, an idea of your order quantity, information on materials you want to use. This preparation shows professionalism and makes factories more likely to take you seriously. One last thing. Don't underestimate the brand value that comes with producing in Portugal. Customers are becoming more mindful about where their clothes come from. When they see made in Portugal, they associate it with ethics, quality, and style. That label alone can elevate your brand in the eyes of consumers and even allow you to charge premium prices compared to clothing made in lower-cost countries. So, to sum up, Portugal gives you high-quality production, sustainable and ethical practices, flexibility with small orders, quick logistics, modern technology, and credibility for your brand. And now you know the exact steps to connect with Portuguese manufacturers. If you're serious about building a clothing brand that customers love and trust, Portugal should definitely be on your radar. If this video helped, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share it with other aspiring designers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.